So the opposite of joining or welding is breaking or splitting. So we're going to split this line and we're going to break it. So I'm going to use the BR, or you could use, type in break or split. You can type in split would work as well. You're going to pick the entity. Now it's important where you select the entity in some degree. So if I pick the entity here, that automatically assumes that that's the first point where I want to break the line. So it's asking me now for the second point. So if I pick here, you'll see that it broke it there and broke it there. So, or yeah, kind of broke it and got rid of that piece. Let me undo and repeat the command. Oops, we'll go back. So we got, undo, and let's unisolate the layers, or actually redo. Let's go back to redo. And now we got one line. So I'm going to break that line. And if you'll notice that it's asking me to specify the entity. If you shift right click, it brings up this snap. So it temporarily is turning off your snaps. So I'm going to pick endpoint so that I can grab that endpoint of that line. And then the second point is also now going to be the endpoint of that line. So what I did was I broke it at that particular spot. So if I wanted to break this line now, let's say we repeat that command and I specify the entity, but it's asking me for my first point, I'm going to shift right click and I'm going to pick midpoint. So maybe I want to break it at the midpoint of that line. And then I want to snap to the endpoint for the second point, and it erases that segment there. So using your shift right click to select a particular snap is helpful when you're trying to clean up an object or delete a portion of a line.